Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can fix Instagram filters not showing. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you're not seeing the filters on your Instagram app, then something's going on. Whether or not it is going to be the app itself not updating or the region you're in. First things first, open the Instagram application, and what we're going to do is scroll all the way up to the top. Now select the story icon on the top left and select camera. Sometimes for some reason, when you try to add a new post from that plus button, it will not give you the option to have these filters, but if you select to add directly to your story, it'll bypass that and give you some options. However, if that's not working, what we're going to do is refresh the Instagram app and clear the cache. So what you need to do is close the Instagram app and open up your device settings. Inside it, go to General and scroll down to where you see iPhone storage. Simply tap on it and all of the installed apps will be displayed. You just need to look for Instagram and access it. Inside it, tap on Offload app and wait for it to complete. Once done, reinstall the app and the problem will be solved. So that's basically how you can fix Instagram filters not showing. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.